Okay, we've got the end of a section A with a calculator question here. It's about probability and is worth 8 marks, 4 marks for each part. So if you want to pause the video now, and I'll do the solution when you unpause it. Okay, in any given season, a soccer team plays 65% of their games at home. When the team plays at home, they win these percentage of games. When they play away from home, they win this percentage. Now, the easiest way to do this is to get all this information in some kind of diagram. Now, I'm choosing to use a tree diagram. I find them by far and away the easiest way to deal with these. So first of all, I'm going to write if they would play at home or away. If they play at home, they could win, or they could lose. So see this tree diagram, or they could actually, rather than saying lose, they could actually say we don't win. So for not winning, we put a complement. Now the same thing happens if we play away. They could win, or they could not win. So I've got this tree diagram like this. Now I'm going to fill in some parts from the question here onto my tree diagram. So eventually I'll get there. Now you might think this is taking a long time to do this, but if we fill this in, everything else is going to become very easy. If they play 65% of their home games at home, that's 0.65. They win 0.83 at home. When they play away, they win 0.26. So I've filled in everything from the question. Now I'm going to fill in everything that I know must happen. So this must be 0.35 to add together to give 1. This is 0.17. And this one here is 0.74. Now I'm going to keep going before I even look at the questions, and I always fill in the ends of the lines. So it's this times this means they're home and winning. And of course you're using a calculator, and I've already done this on my calculator. 0.5395. 0.1105, 0.091, and 0.259. Now the questions become remarkably easy. Find the probability that the team wins the game. So they choose one game at random, probability that they win the game. Here is where they win the game. Here is where they win the game. So I add these two together, and that gives me 0.6305, or approximately 0.631. So although the answer is there, 4 marks, all the working out has been done here. If the team does not win a game, now if the team does not win a game, so I know they haven't won a game. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I know they haven't won a game, so this thing here never happened. This thing here never happened. They didn't win a game, so only these have happened. And this is going to go on to the bottom of my answer for this, my fraction. Because this is the only things that can happen now. 0.1105 and 0.259. I haven't even read the rest of it. It just says, if the team does not win a game, find the probability that the game was played at home. Which one of these two was the game being played at home? Here. So this one goes on the top. Then I calculate this. That goes in my calculator, of course, and it comes out as 0.299. Look at the working out here that's been done. Very, very straightforward if I draw a tree diagram.